Trenching a new water line from the house to the field, DIY install. Let's get started. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So I have a new DIY video I want to show you tonight. I'm going to start this now, hopefully finish it up tomorrow. But going ahead and installing a new water line from our house to our field, because we want to have water out there so we can water our garden, as well as water the new pumpkin patch and the DIY solar panels. Now I'm going to run from the house. I'm going to Y off this spigot over here, put a post in, come off, use 3/4 inch line, come down by the garden and head out over to the field by one of the pumpkin patches. Going to go ahead and drop a post here and have the line come out right there. Also want to throw a big shout out to John over at the Backyard Maine YouTube channel. He did a similar project and I watched his video a couple times. Outstanding work. All his videos are done really well. Just want to throw a shout out because I watched his video, got inspired, and I want to do the same here. Now before starting any type of digging project, you also have to be safe. And in this case I call it Dig Safe, which is our local digging authority. I put a line in and had them come mark all the public utilities. So I do have a spot over here by the garden where there's a communications line that runs the right of way. I'm going to hand dig all this section right here. That's what's required by law, shovel only. So I'll bring the Massey down. I'm going to use the Massey Ferguson GC 1725NB. This is the brand new trenching bucket from RetailREMS. Check out my other video on my YouTube channel where I go ahead and install this, both the bucket as well as the quick attach for the bucket, so I can switch it out in a matter of seconds. All right, so let's get digging. So I have to say there was a lot of promise in that first scoop I took. It was like almost perfect where I dug in and all the solder came up perfectly. It was a clean cut. Everything after that, not so great. But again, just having a ton of fun here. Beautiful night. The sun went down. It's nice and cool. Not really breaking the sweat here. I don't have to break my back either with a shovel. Just using the Massey, the new trenching bucket, and it's getting the job done.